Rare access into the secretive world of Russia's anti-narcotics agency. These special forces are racing to catch suspected heroin dealers in the middle of selling drugs to an undercover policeman. When we arrive on scene, the alleged dealers and the drugs are already on display.
The authorities are keen to show off this drugs haul. 2 would-be drug dealers arrested whilst trying to make a deal. The authorities here under no illusion where the drugs came from, direct from the poppy fields of Afghanistan.
The heroin and the suspects are taken back to base. The haul has a street value of $300,000. The bags are dusted for fingerprints. The 2 suspects, both from Tajikistan, are thought to be middlemen in a long chain of smugglers. If found guilty, they could face 8 to 20 years behind bars.
Operations like this are increasingly common since the creation of the State Drug Control Agency. Every year there's an increase in the amount of drugs we confiscate.
A drug rehabilitation center in the city of Perm. Heroin is flooding into even the smallest of Russian towns, fueling addiction. Officially, there are between 2 and 6 million addicts in the country, a number that's rising. Only a lucky few manage to get treatment. The problem's so bad, the Kremlin's appointed this man, Viktor Ivanov, as a new anti-drug czar. He wants NATO's war against the Taliban in Afghanistan to also be a war against narcotics.
NATO has a huge responsibility for security and stability and all problems connected with threats to Afghanistan and its society. This is why NATO is a key partner of the Russian Federation in fighting the threat of drugs.
Russia accuses NATO of turning a blind eye to Afghanistan's opium production over worries about driving poppy farmers into the arms of the Taliban. But with 30,000 Russian drug users dying every year, the Kremlin wants Afghanistan's deadly crop destroyed. Neave Barker, Al Jazeera, Moscow.